This video I will show you how to write YouTube video script. This is easy method and I am using this method last 4 years about YouTube video scripts. First, open a Chrome browser. In search, type ChatGPT, press enter, await few seconds. In search, tap this prompt. Mm, please, sorry, my typing is very low. Please write a YouTube video script about this topic, and now think about your topic. For example, line was, so dear love story in forest in winter days. So, and press enter and wait a few seconds. My network is very slow and I will use next time in Elon Musk net. Elon Musk net is very beautiful and very dangerous speed for will help my online field. Good. So not Roman English language use, only English language use me. What if the hunter did not want to hunt? What if the enemy became a friend? Please, my language is not sport for you. And ChatGPT is writing a script. This script is very clear, and this hook is very dangerous and for engagement for other audience. And this video is very help you. Like this video and subscribe my channel below. Thanks.